Hi guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to install a window using a nailing fin. This can be installed directly into the wall using a TESCON EXTORA tape. Begin by placing this window on stable trestles. The outside should face up. These fins, if not applied in the factory, will come pre-cut. Start on one side and click the fin into the window profile. Before you click in the next fin, apply some ORCON CLASSIC in the corner so that the continuous seal stops water and air from leaking through these joints. The ORCON CLASSIC bead should ooze out over the edge of the fin, so later it can adhere directly to the tape and form a complete seal. The window fins are now in place. Next step, you have to level out the window seal and one side of the window opening. Now we are ready to lift this window into place. Lift the window into the opening and make sure it is sitting tight up against the packers on the left-hand side. Secure the window in place with 2 screws. Then proceed to fix screws in all of the openings around the window fin. After all screws are installed, we are now ready to tape the window. We recommend using the TESCON EXTORA Profil tape. It has a split release paper, one is 12 mm and the other one is 48 mm. Remember, it is very important that the tape covers the ORCON bead at the corners, so that we have created a complete and durable seal against water ingress. Window fins are a fast and effective way how to install window frames into a timber structure. Use TESCON EXTORA Profil and ORCON CLASSIC to create a continuous and weather-tight seal.